actually provides a very good feature, very good tool. So students can ask questions right there below the recipe, and I can answer them right there.
So the best part I liked about Knorish is when I looked at some of the features, it was easy to do, right? Means do it yourself kind of a thing. So you don't really need a lot of technical knowledge. There are a lot of drag and drop kind of features to create your landing pages, and it's a one stop shop, right? You don't need multiple digital products to create your platform, right? In one platform itself, you can automate your email, you can create your landing page, you can integrate your payment. And the good part is the physical support, right? When I say physical support, right, for any other platform, if you go, you can only raise a service request or a ticket, and then somebody will respond to your emails. But here, I can reach out to any of you and then quickly talk through and then resolve issues or take guidance or discuss features. In fact, I have requested some new features, and I'm glad that some of the requests which I have put in, those enhancements are being worked on, and I think a couple of them are already released on your platform, so that I'm sure other course creators will benefit. But that was the comfort factor with Knowledge, that there is a support, there is a person to talk to, and get that support for moving forward.
So, from my perspective, the content should be, first of all, useful, attractive, and then value for money. That is the first thing after looking at the ad when somebody calls you and get interested into, purchasing the course. That is very important. And then after support that we are providing, that is a very good, addition to that. And lifetime access is definitely a catch.